how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp with the latest update. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this quick and simple tutorial. Now, with the recent updates of WhatsApp, they have changed the status into something that other users don't like. So in order to change back into its original format, which is the vertical style, you can just go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application right here. Right after that, you can then go ahead and see all of your channels inside the updates category. Now, to change it back to the vertical style, you can just go ahead and click on a channel right here, because what we want to do is to go ahead and basically unfollow all of the channels that we are currently following on our WhatsApp account. And right after unfollowing every channel here on our WhatsApp, it will go ahead and basically transfer it back into the vertical style. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and a subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.